What happened to I'm getting a planter for a coconut?
Say, so coconut can't be lonely. It'll grow better. Statistics show that plants are happier when they have other friends to be there with. Ask Bob Ross. I needed to get him a happy little friend, and look how happy this hibiscus is. Well, not this bloom in particular, but this one is gonna be really happy. And look at this one. Oh my God, I gotta paint that. I gotta paint that today. What's up, YouTube? I'm Rio, and I'm on a mission to go from a broke-ass, middle-aged, no-named artist to owning a 7-figure-a-year empire that revolves around my art. I'm hoping to get this done without having to have a boob job or a facelift, because it seems that in this industry, that a bikini body is the only way to get attention on social media, and that ship has sailed. Anyway, I'm gonna bring you along and share with you my progress. The good, the bad, the ugly, and the oh my God, I pooped my pants. All without trying to sell you some overpriced how to make a living as an artist e-course that you don't even need. In a row! God, I can't get over how stupid my hair looks though, although it's kind of funny. 3 weeks in a row, how about that? Like, I don't think we've been this consistent for 2 years. I think we're doing it. I don't know. Get excited, don't get excited, whatever. Anyway, so let's roll right into this video. I don't know who did this hair today, but it wasn't me.
Yes, it wasn't.
And it is bad. It is bad. But I don't care. I'm not fixing my hair for this. So anyway, if you're new here, I'm Rio. Hi. Do me a favor. Hit the like and the subscribe right now. We'll just give you a minute to do that. So that's like background music from Face. So as you saw in the last video and in this one, I bought a hibiscus plant. And it is so beautiful. So today, I'm going to paint that plant. So that's what we're doing. It's bloomed. It's beautiful. I'm painting it. The bright yellow pinky orange ones and then Say said, oh, I really like the bright yellow pinky orange ones too. I think you should do that. And in the back of my head, I'm thinking, I don't know if that's a good idea based on the color of wood. But you know, who cares? Let's do it anyway. It'll take me just a minute. I'm just gonna, and then we'll be here with some new colors. Okay, so check it out. I'm not taking credit for it because this idea is poop. It is total poop. It doesn't even look kind of good. You can't even see them. So I've decided to make an executive decision and I'm painting them purple instead. So let's see how that looks.
over 70 different species of hibiscus. And you said you were an expert in them. Can you name them all for us real quick?
I have no idea what you were even talking about. You said, hey Rio, I think you should paint a hibiscus. And I said, well, I got a piece of wood here that might just work for that. I'm regretting my decision to work with you completely at this point.
They're just suggestions, okay? You can say no at any time.
I say no, and then you ride my ass like a rented donkey until I give in and paint what you think I should paint.
Yeah, because I have great ideas.
Well,
You can't
I
keep
great
saying
ideas
no.
to some, nightmares to others.
You always taught me that no doesn't mean no. It just means not right now. So if I ask you in 20 minutes, hey, do you want to paint this thing? And you say no, guess what? I'm just going to wait another 20 minutes. You know what you're doing.
Not really. I don't have any photograph reference to work from.
Ah, got you. Make them green. I think green's a hot color right now, isn't it? Oh my god, I didn't know you knew how to paint.
Well, according to the way this looks so far, I don't. So don't get excited.
I can't tell the difference. You just keep putting on different colors. I don't know if it's good or bad.
I'm just looking for something that works at this point.
Okay.
To be quite honest,
This is what we call paint fishing.
Yes, I am paint fishing. Fishing for that feeling of, well, I can live with that.
That doesn't look entirely stupid.
We're not going to talk about whether it's good or bad or,
You want to see what Miss K thinks about it?
No. No, we're not going to send this one to her. So far, the only thing that does work in this painting is this background color works with the wood and the color of the hibiscus. But that's really about as far as we're going with this. So I see no reason to involve Miss K in this. I also see no reason to ever paint another hibiscus. So
Well, why not? They're so pretty.
okay, well, the ones in nature are. I'm having some trouble with mine.
You need to go outside and consult the hibiscus that we have in the backyard.
It's the
with
wrong
that.
color.
So,
I'm just out on all the wrinkles. Do you know how hard it is to paint the curve on all of those? I just don't want to.
that's why people that paint nudes don't paint old people.
Oh God, for real, that just gave me a nightmare. Not only would you have to
Can you
look
imagine
at
that? Can you imagine that? An old wrinkly dude wearing a velvet cape and it had to be a velvet painting.
it. No.
Can you
Oh,
imagine?
God.
Can you imagine?
No,
Does
you're
that make your
actually
head hurt?
giving. Yeah, it's like one, having to make all those curves makes my head hurt. Two, knowing what you're in for. As you get older and you just can't avoid that, that makes my heart hurt. And because there is no amount of Botox in the world that's going to save your ass from that. And three, having to make all that, actually correct in a painting so that you can show it to Kay. No, I'm out. I can't do it.
I think you can do it.
I think I can do it, but I'm choosing not to do it. There's a difference between can and want.
Won't.
And I'm learning that the more I learn how to paint, the more I'm like, I'm just not feeling the effort into all of that.
That moment when your mullet gets stuck in your camera strap. Jesus, wow.
I'm just putting it
I'm
out
understanding
there that
why
haircut-
everybody that works in the film production doesn't have a mullet now. It's very inconvenient.
I'm just putting. So what have we learned this week? Well, what I've learned learned this week is that I'm smarter than all of my friends when it comes to color. While fluorescent pink, bright yellow, and bright orange hibiscus flowers are gorgeous, they do not look good on the color of wood that I had to paint them with. 2, somebody needs to do something. We need to make enough money that I can have a hairstylist because I hate doing my hair and makeup every day, y'all. I swear I hate doing it. I hate doing my hair and makeup almost as much as I hate having to put a bra on every day.
Putting a bra on every day sucks.
I'm telling you, seriously, Stace. Do you like get the marks underneath? I mean, like,
they're the worst.
You know?
And then I get like acne under there. Like it's awful. It sucks.
Yeah. So if you haven't hit the like button, please do so. If you haven't hit subscribe, give that a whirl as well. You know, you might like us. We might be fun for a while. Anyway, here's the other part that we learned this week. We actually grew the Instagram account. Now I haven't sold anything yet. Still keeping you in the loop for this. But the Instagram account started growing, and it's been stagnant for 3 years. I went back 3 years. It's been stagnant. So I'm super excited about that. So that's really all I have to report. So I do want to let you know, in case you're interested, that we are going to release the kitchen collection on May 25th. That's it. So all of the pieces will be available that the resin looks good on. So like 2. I have like 2 pieces ready to go. Because I'm so not good at this resin thing. I just don't even know what the problem is. Anyway,
if you want to follow the progress of the other pieces that aren't on YouTube, make sure you're following us on IG and TikTok.
TikTok, yeah.
You probably need some product for your hair, sweetie. It's looking a little dry and fizzy.
I think that's
they make this stuff called...
copious amounts of...
They make this stuff called mousse. It's not an actual mousse and it doesn't have antlers. You will have antlers by the time I'm done with it though.
You gonna make antlers on this head?
Yes I am.
Yeah. Well, okay, so next time I'll actually do something with my hair.
She's a liar.
That's probably a lie. I don't like it in my face when I'm creating, so get over it. Anyway, hope you liked this episode. Leave us a comment. Let me know what you want to see me paint. I have like 30 more pieces of this kitchen collection wood that I have got to fill and get out the door because we're on to other things. So let me know in the comments what you would like to see me paint. And until next time, thanks for joining us in the studio. Ciao! Stace, I think you should give them a reveal of how beautiful they are.